Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel of Castaway Trader. Today's video is called S&P 500 Are Underwater Shorts Can Be Rescued. And before I start, please read that important disclaimer. This is my website www.castawaytrader.com, and I moved it to another much faster hosting, so it's now 3 times faster. Just give it a try and you will be impressed about improvement I've made. Okay, first I want to review a couple of trades we made with my subscribers. So this report was sent to subscribers at 3:42 p.m. on Monday, June 17th, and here I wrote that if it manages to hold its support at 28.71, we may get a nice rally to 29.50. So you can see that we were here under 2900, and on Monday I gave them that red target box between 29.76 and 29.56, even before that rally started. That report was sent at 8:45 a.m. on Tuesday, and I wrote ES has completed a shallow B down. The main scenario is the rally targeting 29.60 or 223.6% extension. At that point it was 29.17, and we know now that it was another 50 points to go higher. Wednesday, 9:07 a.m. and after a strong rally in microwave 3 up, we see some consolidation. So my idea was that it will make A down, B up, followed by C down. That would be a completion of consolidation, and then the rally will continue into that dark red target box in between 29.60 and 29.56, and back then it was 29.26. It's FOMC day, the beginning of the day, 9:07 a.m. The very same day, 12:20. There are still 100 minutes to go before FOMC will announce its decision, and I reaffirm that structure and my bullish outlook. A down, B up, C down into the green target box. That was supposed to make a good entry point in order to ride that rally into that red target box. And back then, once FOMC made that announcement at 2:42 p.m., I posted a suggestion for followers of my private Discord chat. SPY 295 calls expiring next Friday at $0.95 looks interesting. So as you can see in my private Discord chat, not only I post all those charts, not only I add additional charts per request, but I post trade suggestions for my members. So you can go to register, scroll down to read details about that plan. And if you watch that video up to the end, I will give you special offers, special discounts if you want to try that plan or other plans. Okay, let's continue. So this is Thursday morning, and we see that the whole night ES was rallying hard. And as you can see, after FOMC, it just briefly spiked into the green target box, confirming my prediction that that would be a great entry point. And immediately, without a stop, the whole night it was rallying just to tag that red target box. And for my followers in the private Discord chat, I posted that 295 calls bought after FOMC yesterday went up 105%. That was a quick, nice trade. Okay, this is Friday, 8:56 a.m., June 21st. ES is in the tight consolidation shaped as a triangle. It is going to make another push higher, at least to 29.72. As you can see, it was meandering here back then, and that's why calls were relevantly cheap. So to my followers in private Discord chat, I suggested a nice trade to go long. It's like a speculative long because I call it LOTA. and it's speculative long because we are dealing with calls to expire the very same day. It's a risky trade, but if it goes well, the reward would be huge. So I went long 296 calls on SPY, and I paid only 5 cents per each, and then I added 295 calls, paid 18 cents per an option per call, and only 1 hour later, those calls went up 180%. It was a great trade based on the tight consolidation triangle bullish setup. So at 2:33 p.m., if to go micro to complete that whole rally started of the lows on June 3rd, we got all complete 5 waves up. To make it perfect, to make it ideal, we still could push one more time higher in that very last microwave 5 up into that red target box, and it could be 29.75 up to 29.81. But as you know, it did not work out, so ES went up halfway through and then broke under that low, and this is how we closed. We closed under 29.50. So at that point, I think the rally has stopped, and we should see some bearish continuation next week. Let's talk now about bigger picture. I'll give you 2 scenarios. Both scenarios are bearish short term, and I will explain you why they are bearish and what is the difference between those 2 scenarios and what it means for bulls and bears. So we are dealing here with the standard 5-wave up fractal. Everything I'm talking about, it's based on fractals, either 5-wave up fractal or some corrective fractals, and you can learn about those fractals in my best-selling video course, which you could find a link under this video. So let's come back to the fractal. We tapped in September 18, I counted as the top of wave 3, then we got a quick but deep ABC down into December 18, and once you have a bottom of wave 4, you should expect a 5-wave up rally in wave A of 5, and normally that rally targets the previous top made by wave 3, and this is exactly what we are dealing here with. So that top happened at about 29.50, 29.60, and this is why we quickly approached the target, and we just got stuck here. And this is exactly what normally happens. So from here we normally have ABC down in wave B of 5, and only after that pullback we get normally a continuation with a sustainable breakout targeting new higher highs, in this case targeting well over 3,000 points on S&P. This is a bearish scenario. The bearish scenario implies that on May 1st we completed that rally. We completed wave A of 5, and over that point we got the first leg down, A of B, that happened on June 3rd, followed by a pullback B of B, B of B up, and it tapped on June 21st, possibly last Friday, and from here we should get an impulsive decline in wave C of B. Now, a bullish scenario. A bullish scenario implies that the rally we started of December 18 low has not completed yet, and the top we got on May 1st was only a top of microwave 3 up. That ABC down, which we got in May and which bottomed on June 3rd, was a microwave 4, and from here we should still get a small ABC up, and A up, which we might have completed on June 3rd, was micro A. Now we need to get micro B and another push up in micro C, which would finally complete here. So where we are now, if under the bullish scenario we are still working on the rally started in December 18 low, and May 1st was the top of microwave 3, ABC down was the bottom of wave 4, bottom on June 3rd, and yesterday on Friday we might have tapped here, so we need to get a corrective ABC down before another push up, which would finally complete that large rally of December 2018 low. And if we look at the actual chart, you will see what I mean. That was microwave 3 topped on May 1st, quick and not deep decline, structured as 333 structure, and it bottomed on June 3rd, and quick and strong rally, which again retested the previous stop. And from here I would explain some ABC corrective move down, which has 3 targets, either 28.50 or 28.22, or in the most extreme bearish case 27.87. So this is where normally wave B of 5 finds its bottom. If we look at the bearish scenario, which implies that on May 1st, 2019, we indeed saw the top of that big rally in wave parenthesis A of parenthesis 5. Then we got the first leg down in A, followed by corrective rally B, which might have topped last Friday. Then we should get much more powerful decline in wave C of parenthesis B down, and in this particular case, under that particular bearish scenario, we could fall up to 2650 and or 2500. Frankly, I like the bullish scenario more. Let's see how it plays out. Now, I promised to show you special offers to those who would watch that video up to the end, and this is it. If you want to keep watching how it will play out, you can subscribe to my best-selling plan, Wave Analysis of the US Indices, my monthly subscription. You can use the coupon SAVEM for 20% discount, or many of my followers prefer to subscribe quarterly to save more. So then you can pick Save Q coupon and use it at checkout to get 30% discount. If those charts and my comments are not enough and you want to be able to ask me questions, to get my replies, to get more frequent updates, to get updates of Bitcoin, to get updates of gold miners, you may consider subscribing to my premium private Discord chat. And if you want to do so, I'm offering you a coupon video for 10% discount. All those offers are valid until 23:59 p.m. Pacific time on Monday. Thank you for your time. Keep counting waves and make money, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like for this video. Thank you.